Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we're going to be talking all about, let's see, I have a few list of topics actually. I know I'm acting all giddy. I guess we'll just hop straight into the basics of how I started my own brand. So I'm gonna kind of talk about what I did and worked for me and what didn't work for me, so it can save you guys that extra time. So if you're interested about starting your business or building your business and bettering yourself, continue to watch this video. I hope it'll be helpful. Subscribe to my channel so I can keep giving you guys fire content. And yeah, let's go ahead and get into this little chit chat, honey. So first things first, my name is Maylecia Aradine Buckner. I am the owner of Rame, or Rame Inc., Rame Hair Collection. Some of you guys may or may not know. At this moment in time, like right now, I currently sell hair, like bundles, frontals, closures, wigs, lashes, all that good stuff. So I sell hair, I sell clothing, I actually sell like accessories and like earrings and purses and stuff like that. And then I'm also coming out with some natural hair care products, Raw by Rame, you guys. And I have a few other things up my sleeve and planned, so stay tuned for what more there is to come. But yeah, so that's just a little gist of my brand. A lot of people will kind of ask, like, how do you start, or what do you need to start your brand with? And honestly, all you need to start your brand is a name, a logo, an Instagram, a website, you know, just the basic things that a brand would need, like a vision for your brand and what you want your brand to kind of stand for. Like, can this grow in the future? Am I limiting myself with just this? You got to think about the overall picture. So yes, I created Rame, and when I first started with my brand, I sold hair and swimsuits at the same time because I didn't want to be known for just one thing. So I came out with both around the same time. A lot of people ask how much money you need to start your brand. Honestly, you do not need to have a ton of money. In my head, I was going to use my graduation money from high school when I graduated to be able to use all that money and invest it into my business. However, I lost all the money. Like, I had it all together, all my checks, everything together, and I lost it all. Still to this day, don't know what happened to it. I cannot find it. It is gone. It has left the building. It has left the chats, and I was sick. So yeah, I didn't have anything to start my brand with, and all I could do is kind of just flip. I don't know why I'm using these terms, but all I could really do is kind of like flip my money. Like, I probably started my brand with between $100 to $200, and I used some money to put towards my website and have a domain and all that stuff. So I used some money towards that. I used some money towards sample bundles. I'm kind of all over the place. At this time in Atlanta, there's a lot of things with people who are creative and things like that, which is something that I love. So there were all these events I used to go to and network to try to build up my brand, pass out my business cards, try to do a little pop-up here and there, so that, you know, I get the word out about my brand. And that has honestly really helped me. It is actually kind of funny how things like that comes into play. But hold on, I need to clear up some storage. But yes, I saved a lot of money from learning how to do things myself in the beginning. So in the beginning, I made my own website, I did my graphics, I was the model, I had a really good relationship with the photographer. So we collabed a lot, and he kind of helped me start my business as well. Shout out to Powell. I fucks with you. Thank you so much for everything that you've done for me and my brand. So shout out to you. A lot of people ask how much money you need. Like I said, you need little to none. You just need skill and the willpower to get shit done regardless. And that's all I'm gonna kind of say on that. Another tip I would say as far as starting your brand is to be as authentic as possibly possible. Like, stay true to yourself as much as possible. You don't want to be like anybody else, be similar, not really have your clear ideal image of what your brand is. You want to make that very known to your customer as far as who you are, what you stand for, and all of that good jazz. So me personally, my brand is about self-care care, making women feel good, catering to our necessities. You want to look good, you want to feel good, you want to live your best life and your true self. Here for it all. I am the type of person that likes modern and classy things, but I also like nature and feeling at peace and feeling like I'm taking care of myself and things like that. So Raw May is literally like raw Maylecia. Like, this is me, this is what I am, this is what I like. Trying to put that in the form of products that I feel like represents me well. Like, I love changing my hair. It makes you look good, feel good, and that's what I like. Clothes, I've always loved clothes. Always thought I was gonna be some type of fashion designer or a model, something in the fashion industry. So I knew for sure I wanted to sell clothes. There's also a whole bunch of stuff that I just want to be a part of and nibble nabble and get my fingers into, but we'll talk about that at a different time. Anyways, I'm gonna just stand up because, you know, why not? Another question that I get asked is, what are some things to do to kind of grow and boost your sales, boost your business? Word of mouth will be your best friend. If it's, you know, if it's good service, good quality products and all that stuff, it'll be your best friend. Word of mouth literally has gotten me, I want to say maybe like 80% of my customers and my clientele. Referral programs, like if somebody wants to refer a friend and their friend gets a discount, that's also a good way. Shooting mass emails so you can have returning customers. Yes, returning customers will be your best friends. Word of mouth will be your best friend. So try to get people to talk about it, whether it's posting a picture, hashtagging, tagging you in the picture, in the description, somebody just mentioning it on something. Blaster it everywhere. Drop out some business cards somewhere. You know, it's okay to take it back old school, honey. It's okay. Oh, you know, put some business cards somewhere. Do anything to get your brand out there. You are going to push your brand the most. So try to get your brand to see a lot of eyes. Post it any and everywhere, okay? Yes. I'm just about 4 years into my business and I am nowhere near where I want to be at yet, but I am satisfied, I'm happy, and I'm still going to keep going. I'm still pushing through and just being as consistent as possible, you know. Oh, I look good. Oh, I look good. If you are starting your own brand, starting your own business, I would just say start it. Don't procrastinate. Start it now. The time is now to make that money. Number 2, never give up. Stay consistent with your brand and push yourself hard to keep going each and every day. Do something productive every day that will benefit yourself, your brand, and your life. But you just want to make sure that you stand out. You want to make sure that you have your stuff on point, honey. You better represent your brand day in and day out, and really push and fight hard for your spot. And that's just on period, because nothing nowadays is kind of just given. You kind of really have to fight for it. So just know this year I'm coming up strong for what's mine. Oh no, I'm feeling really confident. I don't know if you guys can tell, but I'm feeling really freaking confident. I don't do like a ponytail. What do you guys think? Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this chit chat. I'm gonna show you guys how I accomplished this. Ooh, I'm gonna show you guys how I accomplished this behind me. But yeah, pretty much all that I had to say. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it was helpful. I hope it was motivational to some of you guys. And I hope you took a few things that I said into consideration as far as starting your own brand. Alright, so first things first, I really want to kind of redo this space, since this will be the space where I'll be doing most of my filming. So I'm gonna just try to make do with what I got to make it do what it do for now. So yeah, I'm gonna show you guys what I do have. Okay, so I don't know for sure if I'm trying to get adjusted to this hair as well. I don't know for sure if I'm gonna use these, but I was thinking about doing kind of like a collage or something. I have all these little sayings like I need coffee. So let's see how this goes. I think it'll be cute. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is grab some little, I don't even know what they're called, something to help me hang these things into my piece of wood behind me. So yeah, I'll be right back. Y'all don't even understand how long I've been gone, and I brought me a snack because I am starving. I got me some little push pins. So let's go ahead and get into it. These things are difficult to get into the wall. I mean, okay, coming together slightly. All right, you guys, now I remember why I've never gotten a chance to do this, because I cannot. I'll be back when I'm done. I put this plant right here, but I'm thinking about moving my leaves over some up top, because they're clashing. Oh, shucks. You know, I had to put a little some together back there. Get it right, get it tight. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video. Don't forget to subscribe, give me a thumbs up, share this with your friends, and turn on the post notifications, because we is coming every single Sunday and sometimes on Wednesdays.